Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Apple's latest releases, the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro. Let's go over everything you need to know about these new devices, from display to battery life to Apple Intelligence and more. Let's get into it. Starting with the iPhone 16, it's available in two sizes, 6.1 inches for the standard model and 6.7 inches for the iPhone 16 Plus. The display provides an exceptional viewing experience, whether you're outside in bright sunlight with up to 2,000 nits of brightness or using it in the dark with as low as 1 nit. Perfect for all environments. Next, the all-new customizable action button on iPhone 16. You can now perform a variety of functions with a simple press, like recording a voice memo, identifying a song, or even translating phrases. And it gets better. You can set up shortcuts like opening your calendar during the day and switching to your flashlight at night. Plus, with third-party apps like FordPass, you can use it to unlock your car. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 is powered by the A18 chip. It's built using second-generation 3-nanometer technology, giving you incredible processing power and efficiency. The 16-core neural engine is optimized for large generative models, making it 2x faster in machine learning tasks. It's not just fast, it's also super efficient, offering up to 30% better energy management than the previous generation. Now, let's talk about Apple Intelligence. Apple has taken AI to the next level with iPhone 16. The new personal intelligence system not only understands language and images, but can also take action based on your daily context. For instance, you can search for photos by description or even create movies by simply typing what you want, like kids learning to crochet. Privacy is a top priority here, as all processing happens on-device or securely in the cloud. Of course, the iPhone 16 brings big updates to its camera. You can instantly access camera controls, adjust zoom, depth of field, and more with just a slide of your finger. The new 48MP Fusion camera delivers stunning detail, while the 24MP mode optimizes light capture. You've got optical quality 2x zoom with full resolution and an ultra-wide camera with autofocus. Plus, you can now capture spatial photos and videos for Apple Vision Pro. Gamers, listen up! The iPhone 16 offers up to 30% better sustained performance during gaming thanks to the A18 chip. It supports hardware-accelerated ray tracing for stunning graphics at 5x the frame rates of software-based methods. Console-level games like Resident Evil 7 and Assassin's Creed Mirage run smoothly on this device, and the Ultra Graphics mode in Honor of Kings World will blow your mind.
Players will be amazed by the Ultra Graphics mode optimized for iPhone 16. It offers an unparalleled visual experience with higher resolution, advanced lighting effects, powerful global illumination technology, and expanded viewing distance.
And when you're off the grid, the iPhone 16 has you covered with messages via satellite. Whether you're hiking or in a remote location, you can still send and receive messages and tapbacks through satellite connectivity, available in the US, Canada, and other select countries.